It depends on what do you mean by the term AI robot. If you mean a robot that can see and interact with people, so you'll have to integrate a camera to your robot or create some computer vision software, face recognition, objects recognition. The most used libraries for this kind of tasks are OpenCV, Scikit-learn, Scikit-image. If you want to go further in these tasks, you can use some deep learning frameworks such as TensorFlow or Theano. If you mean a robot that can move, explore, and avoid objects and obstacles, then you have to create a navigation and mapping software. The one most used techniques to localize the robot and create the map of the environment is called SLAM. You'll find a lot of open source SLAM libraries in different programming language. You'll have also to create a path planning program so that the robot can calculate a trajectory and move toward a goal. There's some frameworks that make these tasks way much easier than implementing everything from scratch. ROS, for instance, is one of the most advanced frameworks in this domain and it's open source. If you mean your robot should pick up objects and manipulate them, so you have first to integrate an arm to your robot or a grasping mechanism, then you'll have to create a program to rotate the joints according to your needs. For more sophisticated robot arms you can use Move8 library, which works well with ROS-enabled robot. You can still modelize your arm all by yourself, but it will take more time to do it. If you mean your robot should speak, you'll have to do some speech recognition software and speech synthesis. I don't have a lot of experience in this field, but you can use Google Speech API, which will take your audio recording, connect to the cloud, process it and return a string of the speech. All you have to do is create a program to execute an action if the string contains a certain sentence. Of course, all of these are just some examples, because the field of AI robotics is so big. I tried to give a general answer, but if you want more details about this subject, try to ask a more specific question please.